In this video, we're going to be working on a fix to a pretty much something that will crash our game, and that's regarding shooting. So currently, you can see if I shoot around, as long as I'm hitting something, everything seems to be fine. But if I come outside, for example, and I just shoot a shot anywhere, I just shot, my game crashed. So as you can see, array index out of bounds, so we're essentially accessing an element that doesn't exist in an array. So we need to resolve that. So we come over here to our fire function, in our weapon semi, we look and we see we're passing in, at least for starts, it results at index 0. Now, when we shoot, if we don't hit anything, hit results is not going to have any elements in it. It's just going to be an empty array. So when we access element 0, there's nothing in there. So, if we don't hit anything, we're trying to do something that access something that doesn't exist. So what we're going to do to fix that is create some brackets in here, and we're going to do a check. So if hit results dot num is greater than 0, we do this line. If it is not, so else, what we're going to do is we're going to pass in f hit result and the constructor of the hit result. So we also have another part where we're doing the same thing. I want to copy this and go up to our server fire function. So if we scroll up, here's our server fire, and here's where we pass in, again, index 0 of the hit result. So let's paste that in. And we will, if we have elements in the array, we'll be passing in that first element. If we do not, we just pass in an empty hit result. So now that that's done, let's go ahead and give it a test. And with any luck, it should not crash. And I'm going to test this on both the server and the client. All right, now I just got to wait for it to do the good old little hang up. There we are. I want to set to 2 players, new editor window. And let's test first on the server. So come outside, I shoot. Everything's good to go. I hit something, it's good to go. I don't hit anything, it's good to go. Start with the client. I shoot stuff, good to go. Come outside, shoot around, it's still good to go. So that means our fix here is working. That's what we needed. So now that this is done and out of the way, I will see you in the next video.